Welcome back to my another video. This is MBJ and I'm with my friend the real lava boy out. Yeah, bye. So today guys we're playing a more parkour map made by Vlenman6423 and do not break blocks. Hello, where are you? Hello, hello. Oh there you are. Don't kill me. So let's go parkour. Ouch, 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 ouch. I'm not trying to swim in lava. Not again. Save me. No. You want some drill? A sweet Mexican drill?
Disconnected.
Yay. The lava boy has been disconnected from the game. No. Again. Shakies. Shakies. No, 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 no. Why can I make this? Why can I do this? No. Not again. Hey, lagi in lava boy. So let's go. Oh no, I just lagged because of you. Because of you, I've been lagged. No, oh no. How many deaths do I have? Okay, so many. Just pause the video if you want to count my deaths.
You get it.
No, I don't want to get. I don't want to eat some cheese sticks, lava boys. No! No, 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 no. Yes. No! No! You died, you died, you died. Respawn, respawn. Okay, let's go. Ouch! You're mean to me. You're mean.
How to do this?
Just jump in the right.
Oh.
No! Guys, we cannot do this. We cannot do this.
No.
Lol. Laugh out loud. You can do this. I believe in you. Excuse me, madam. Ooh, you did it! Nice. Nice. No, I'm not nice. No! You're not at the level 2. Oh, for heavens. No. No. No, yes. No, 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 no.
Only level 3.
Level 3?
Yeah.
You're too good at the parkour.
What level are you on?
1, just 1. No! Why can I do this?
To be lava.
Yay! Level 1 again, but okay, let's go in the ladder. No, not in the lava. I cannot do this, so guys, this is the last one. Okay, okay, okay. Really last one. Really last one. Really last one. Really last one. Again, guys, really last one. Last one, and we're gonna creative this. No, okay, I'm gonna creative this. Oh man. Wait, wait, lava boy, wait. I'm gonna make this creative. So let's go. This actually kinda hard. So I'm gonna edit a little much. Little much. Just like that. So I can now have the level 2. I'm not cheating, guys. And why did you just join? So in here, what is in the chest? I don't know, but let's go again the level 1. Let's don't.
Where am I?
You're floating. So let's go. Make this
No.
creative. I'm in survival. So let's go. Let's go. Oh man,
Where am I?
I'm scared. Okay, I'm now at the level 2. Level 2.
Level 3 is so hard.
Why?
Um.
Oh my god.
Oh
No.
Disconnected. You have Wi-Fi?
Yes, I have. But it's so quick. No. Okay, guys, we cannot do this. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching of me being deaf again and again. And hope you like my videos of parkours and leave a big fat thumbs up for my video. That will be great. And please subscribe me at MBG or Gilbert Generation Mode. And goodbye, guys. Bam, bam.